Welcome back everyone to another series of Mike on the Move. I am Mike and you're watching my Peru series. So if you've been following my Peru series, you know I checked out Machu Picchu, Cusco, and the Second Valley. And throughout my entire voyage, I was not only trying to embrace the entire Peruvian culture, but also try to taste the best Pisco Sour I can find. And luckily, I found it. Not in Cusco, but in Lima. This video will highlight the best place to have Pisco Sour when visiting Lima. But first, I want to share with you how to make Pisco Sour in your home or throughout your travels in Peru. Check out this video. Alright, so before we start making Pisco Sour in your home or hotel, let's go over our ingredients list. First, you need some Pisco. I bought this Pisco in Cusco. Second, you need some simple syrup, about 1 ounce. Third, you need some limes, 1 or more limes, depending how many drinks you like to make. An egg or a huevo, and some bitters. You only need a little bit of bitter, so some dashing on the top of your Pisco Sour. All right, so now that we've went over our ingredients list, let's go ahead and start making our Pisco Sour for your home. Now, I'm gonna say that to make the Pisco Sour, it's gonna consist of 5 easy steps to make in your home. Step 1 is to get your egg whites into your shaker. So let's go ahead and do this. It's probably the hardest part, by the way. All right, so you want to keep the yolk out, just get the white. All right, there we go. Happy to do that. Took many attempts to get that right, by the way. All right, so step 1 is to add the yolk into your shaker and to shake it up. I'm going to shake it up. Now, the harder you shake it, the more fluffier yolk will get for your drink. So let's just shake this up. All right. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right. Oops. All right. I'm getting a hard time with the shaker here. All right, that's really good. All right, so step 2 will be now to incorporate all the ingredients I mentioned to you earlier into the shaker, which means 2 ounces of Pisco, all right, 1 ounce of simple syrup, all right, we're gonna do 1 ounce of lime juice, now I love lime juice, so I'm adding more than 1 ounce because I just love limes. But the ingredients does call for only 1 ounce, so feel free to just do 1 ounce or more. All right, so to complete step 2, you're gonna add in all the ingredients to the shaker. Now you're gonna shake this up lightly. Just a little couple shakes. All right, I think it's enough. All right. So the next step is to add a bunch of ice to your shaker. Oops. All right. And now in this step, we're gonna go ahead and shake it really hard. Really hard. All right, come and take a look at this. Let's just keep it there. Okay. All right. So the next step for this drink is to actually filter it into your cup. So I'm actually gonna just have a smaller cup here. Look at that. Beautiful, right? All right. And that was step 4, by the way. Now, step 5 is to add a few, maybe 1 or 2 dashes of bitters. More for good luck. All right, and to top it off, I'm gonna add a little garnish. Check this out. Homemade Pisco Sour. Let's give it a taste. Pretty good. Now, after you make your drink at home, I'm gonna now share with you where to find the best Pisco Sour when checking out Lima. Check out this footage. Alright everyone, so I am now in Lima checking out La Plaza de Armas or La Plaza Mayor. Behind me you see the Basilica Cathedral. Checking out any Plaza de Armas in any country is always my top recommendation. But this video is not about La Plaza de Armas, it's about Pisco Sour in Lima. So here's a map. I'm going to show you where to find the best Pisco Sour only a block away from the main square. So here's the square and the cathedral, and just a block away you will find where I recommend you going to, a place called Maori Hotel. So what is the best thing to do in Lima? Of course, it's a taste of Pisco Sour. We have a tip from my friend Milagro, to check out a place called Maori Hotel. Behind me is Maori Hotel. There's no name, but it's the hotel. Let's check this out. So Hotel Maori is a total hidden gem in the center of Lima. The walls are paneled in wood, and there are 3 murals painted by famous Peruvian artists. But most importantly, the Pisco Sour here. It's amazing, and it's reported that it was invented here. But I would say it is indeed the best Pisco Sour I've had anywhere in my travels in Peru and in Chile. Full disclosure, I actually had 2 rounds of Pisco Sour this day. It was just that darn good.
Gracias.
This concludes my video. If you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to Mike on the Move to stay updated in my latest videos and adventures. See you all soon.